Hello and welcome back to Humans and Society. This video focuses on the topic institutionalism under the subject disciplines and ideas in the social sciences.
There are dominant approaches and ideas used in the scientific study of society. These approaches offer various ways of looking at society and also offer various ways of explaining the things that are happening in it. These approaches also serve as guides or frameworks in doing research in the social sciences.
Institutionalism explains how social institutions, both formal and informal, affect human behavior. Institutions are defined as humanly devised constraints that are meant to control social interactions. Max Weber is the most important institutionalist. His ideas focus on how formal institutions constrain human behavior. This is called old institutionalism. Meanwhile, James March and Johan Alsem developed new institutionalism or neo-institutionalism. It recognizes the importance of both formal and informal institutions in shaping social behavior. Before we continue, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell for notifications. Comment below for topics you would like to be discussed in future videos. Formal institutions are officially established, legally introduced, and enforced by the government. Examples of formal institutions in the government are laws, traffic rules, and agency processes. In business, it is the value and proper use of money and labor laws. In religion, the parts of the service and the rites or rituals of passage. And in education, the class schedule, the grading system, and the student handbook. Informal institutions are rules governing behavior outside of official channels. Examples of informal institutions within the family are paying of the dowry, arranged marriages, and filial piety. In business, it is tipping the waitstaff. In media, is netiquette. And for religion, are holiday celebrations, clothes required to be worn, foods not allowed to be eaten. Constitutive effects are aspects of culture that affect behavior. For example, a new program on waste management will cause people to segregate and recycle their trash because they do not want to break the law. Regulative effects are values and beliefs that are manifested through social norms and behavior. For example, if a company values family-friendly service, then their employees will generally be more warm and friendly towards their customers. Institutionalism has several strengths. Institutionalism puts emphasis on the role of deliberate interaction with determining results. It explains how institutions originate and continue to exist. It distinguishes institutions as not only the structure and interactions, but also the rules and conventions of society. And finally, it shows the effects of institutions over time. Institutionalism also has several weaknesses. It is unable to provide a refined comprehension of how institutions affect human behavior. As a macro-level analysis, it ignores the individuals as actors and studies the actions without agents. Institutionalism is both a macro and micro study. Macro-institutionalism studies the tendency of organizations to arrange their formal structure not in response to the technical needs of the organization, but in accordance to widely accepted rules. Micro-institutionalism studies the process of institutionalization within an organization. The ideas discussed in this video are based on the content standards of the Department of Education. Thank Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.